Oh, okay, we are live. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another live stream. So, today we're going to look into collaboration a bit more, as usual. Let's just explore this topic. Let's look at some stuff. So, I think this has like a a solid chance of actually being one of the pieces of the whole. Collection of artworks actually. So this is very good. This is a struck gold, as you may say. So it's gonna, so it's gonna, so the usual exploration of this topic is gonna be a little more focused down, and yeah, because usually it's just more going here and there. So I need to look at some stuff. I have one, two, three animals that I want to look at. The socialization, like to see that thing. Um, it's also been proven. So the title basically is mean collaborations. Are some animals could like really collaborate with each other and then achieve more. What else do I need to say? I need to say this. Just sit back, relax. It's going to be a long, chill video as usual. And it's okay. So now we can get into it. So basically, for us, it's proven the collaboration is actually better. Last time, I think that I was talking about how like different areas can be like need nuances. So wait, Hmm. let me grab. Okay, so let's go. Um, let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this. And this. So basically, last time I was talking about like how we might have more like areas that we need to keep an eye on based on collaboration. Say we have like work, then we have family, then we have other something else. So we have this collaboration here, we have this collaboration here, this collaboration here, which is but like also friendship. I don't know how to represent friendship. Let's just try it. Oh, oh, because I'm okay. I'll just do this right. But finally, I have like this friendship for like there is so basically families can be collaboration, which this means that this is not present. Um, friendship could be the biggest one, to be honest. Um, because I mean, you could have like friends for the gym, but is that really a type of collaboration? Because you're just being social. Like you can go to the gym. There, there may be some moments in which you collaborate. You have some collaboration for a specific goal. Like there is like indirect collaboration. So it's being social. Social leans more to. I need to write this down here. So okay, social. I'd say something like this. Um, then um, because I work, yeah, we have some work, working. There are people who work on, but still have to like face. Hmm. I'd say that no wait because we are talking about like different areas. It, not okay. So collaboration it's hard. Um, why am I having problem with this actually? I need to define something. I need to define when like this multifaceted collaboration style we have because yeah, I know this dude is behaving well with me when we talk. So how's that? Hmm. What can I say about that? It's like sometimes it's a yes, but it's then becomes more time. Okay, so yeah, it just depends how much on how many like if we have this many types of interaction. If this many are bad, equals no collab. If this many are good, we have yes collab, something like that. And also probably yeah. So hmm, this could also lead to like selecting friends and finding a mate maybe if we then need to have like a continuous like relationship like with friends and someone like a partner. It's like the idea of continuous collaboration. Okay, so this is it's not I define with this so there's a bit more math and stuff. So let's see how others do it. So the world, so the bees, we have already looked at that. I'm just not taking that into account now. There was such an age population is off back of lone wolves. Most lone wolves being temporarily alone while they disperse from packs to form their own or join another one. Wolves basic social units in nuclear family. This is very interesting. Consider of a mated pair accompanied by their offspring. The average pack size in North America is 8 wolves and 5 Europe. The average pack across Eurasia consists of a family of 8 wolves, no, 2 adults, juveniles, and yearlings, or sometimes 2 or 3 such families. With example, the chance of a large pack consists of 42 wolves, being known cortisol's levels in wolves are significantly rise significantly when the pack member dies, indicating the presence of stress. During times of prey abundance caused by calving, what does it mean? Or migration, even wolf packs may join together. Oh, okay. Often people stay in the pack of one. No, before the specialty, this person include one section of the competition of the pa or competition. Okay, so they separate either for good reasons, like for advantageous reason, or I mean, like either that I can't eat because there is too much competition, or and or like I can go have my own pack. There is it's various why in the vicinity of the general group or the determined child this is important. Okay, the propagation by an unrelated dispersing male and female traveling together in search of an area divided other hostile by wolf packs really adopt other wolves into their fold and typically kill them in rare cases where other wolves are adopted. The adoptee is almost invariably an immature animal, one of 3 years old, and likely to compete for breeding rights. Okay, this should have cost. Worlds are territory. Wolfpacks travel constantly in search of prey, covering roughly 90% of their territory per day. Because their communication. So the most, like the main information, I mean, is wolves that hunts together. So they're basically like work friends that also live like having a roommate that is all basically which is a lot to be honest. There's a lot of time spent with someone to be honest, but actually just like a like it's like a family business actually because there is like the father and the mother and the sons. It's a lot, and it's just go about it. Yeah, then the sons sometimes leaves because they or they can. Hmm. Interesting. So I can say this. So so the words they hung together to punto a family business. I remember now the horses. Herd of stone. So basically the horses, um, like the young horses looking for a pack, like stay together, like they form a herd of stallion in which they train to overthrow a leader in another group basis as I so okay so this is it. The orcas okay complex societies only elephants and hypods living comparably complex social structures due to orcas complex social bonds. Many marine experts have concern about now how humane it is to keep them in captivity. Wow. Just because yeah, it's inhumane because they have more social structures that are more complex. Like they have an easier social structure, not as bad to keep them in captivity. Resident orchids in the eastern North Pacific live in particularly complex and stable social groups. Unlike other, mammals, social residents who live their own with their mothers and their wait. Unlike resident with their mothers for the entire lives, these family groups are based on matchline consisting of the eldest females and their sons and daughters. 5.5 because female can reach age 90 as many as matrilineal groups are highly stable. Individuals separate only for a few hours at a time. They are really together. Permanent separation has only been recorded once in the case of organism. Lucy Raymond Gold pods usually consist of one or four material like materials. Pods may separate for real, okay? Clans. The next level of resident social structure are composed of pods with similar dialects. Well, come but older matter. Clans range overlap. Ooh. So it's complex because it can like bring more and more. The highest social base is the community, which consists of pods that are regular with each other. Wow, yo, this is insane. Change and smaller. Typically consists of adult female. Wow. Males typically maintain stronger relationship with their mother than other females, looking to adulthood. And I guess the extent of permanent separation. Okay, so yes, orca, dai. Multi-layer communal life totally. So it's communal life on board. Like this is way more just let's hang out together forever. This is yeah, basically. Let's hang out together forever, basically. And yeah, well, so they just hang together. So it's also a family business. It's a family business that stays together. So it's like let's have one family and just keep going. But this is very interesting because they keep like there may be some. It's like having like the goth, the chads, the nerds being a group that keeps showing up in the same place and they just work together, not hating each other. Probably, maybe. Um, Interesting. So because we also have like differentiation in our groups, we interact with other groups. Like if I am part of a group and then I interact with another, like it's almost like yeah, we can help each other, but it can also turn really bad. Hmm. It's kind of more difficult. I mean, I don't know because what can orcas do? Like they can't like really insult their mothers. They can insult each other. They can make conflict with other groups. Yeah, that can be happen. That can be happen. But I mean, there's also difficulty everywhere. Hmm. Interesting. So this is very interesting. I didn't know that they do that. So communal life, um, unions of groups. Yeah. So this is cool. Elephant. They have like packs. Not because what? Human relation. Nah. Conservation stuff. Behavior inequality. Social organization. Yeah. I mean, yeah. Originally gregarious. What? Okay. Female elephants spend their entire lives in tight knit, masculine family groups, and it is much of females remain ruthless lashes no longer. That is the method lead to greater stress to the survival of animals. Some material stock takes their place in the resistance to whatever interaction. Including for those. Oh, here's a cow with eyes. May associate one with each other forming resonance bonds. During dry session, families may aggregate into clans. There may number. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Addition is ambosili. Female Asian alpha tend to have more fluid social associations with younger appears to be stable family units and births. Larger loser group, they have been obtained nursing units in general. Inside India, elephant population make family groups. Those when routing. Okay, so yeah, it's similar to orcas. For simplicity's sake, okay, let's just do this, and that's that. Woo, beep, pop. Simian, let's see, that what? That's just no behavior. Ugh. Thin, let's say, dolphin eyes such them after living in pods of a dozen of years, so the pod size and chocolate variety between species and location. Separate for me. Super pod. Such good. We have 1,000 dolphin membership pods. Is not rigid in interchanges common. They establish strong social bond that will injure and will stay with the injured or your member them breed by bringing them. Wow. This does not appear to be limited to their own speech. Wow. Whoa. Yo. Big. That's big. As being observed regarding a female pygmy span were together with the calf out of shit. What? Why is this in this? Why is this level of collaboration? Right, and this going on. Yeah. Also, being technical. Swim sharp by swimming servers on swim. Okay. Yeah. Toffee using a variety of clay Swiss sound like this. Wow, they're just as good as they are bad. When you touch them. Also, number one, okay. Wow, okay. Dolphin also display culture, something alone. Be unique to humans. Culture. I'm just gonna say, even teaching their young to use tools. They wow, snots with sponges to protect one. Origin starch most effective. Wait, is teaching something a form of culture? Like I mean, teaching practical stuff a form of culture. I see brand knows gender passed on both sexes, using sponges, mouth pressure. Another then behavior was discovered more Brazil where the Buffalo's care came between farm are called very species such as trying to save. Wow, okay. The thing is, obligation toward each other. The thing is, okay. The ultimate dolphin is the more likely his body to be. Yo, just like active aggression can become so intense that the dolphin sometimes after losing. Wow. Male bottles dolphin being known to engage in infanticide dolphin also being known to kill or ponies as well. Small dolphin man. Okay. What is it seems to be like a wide version of ourselves. You know, wow, wow. We are seeing some high highs and some low lows. So, this is interesting. Yeah, they no, did they? I did not. Okay, so dolphin. I mean, do orcas do this? Like, even though orcas, why are they? Yes, que wait. Okay. They have. Okay. So orcas they stay together, and interact. They are closed off basically. Dolphins are not. Hmm. Hmm. Like even with other animal. Um, okay, yeah, this is good. So we can say that, okay. So I have an idea of various animals. How do they do it? Okay. And the complexity of a like social thing is just how much groups come together to form other groups. Um, Basically that, and it also seems like that's like the more it complexity does not mean a better collaboration. I'd say, though the better collaboration is present in more social, which is weird. Theoretically, even orcas could start helping other animals, but they don't, because they just interact with other when they hunt, same as wolves. There is some. No, wait a minute. Some of them. Yeah, no, because I remember there maybe wolves and crows have a good relationship with each other. Yeah, okay, so yeah. Complexity does not mean better collaboration. Better collaboration, I mean it within their own species and with others, because there is like the fishes help each other. I don't know how. I don't remember the specifics. Wolves and crows and dolphins. So yeah, collaboration is it just is independence of social complexity. Um, yeah, basically. Hmm. It's not that present. No, it's somewhat present. Yeah, no, it's fairly present. So what can I say with this? Hmm. So what can we say? To be honest, what there is to say, like, is is everything to be said? Like, you can collaborate with other species. Some animals do. Social complexity is not a factor in that. That's that. So, um, so, so the artwork. Let's talk about that. If there is an artwork made on this topic, uh, what can be said in that inside it? What can be said? That is to say. But yeah, I think that okay. So I found a non. I found this like explanation about. So I think it's done. To be honest, it's done. Quick. I've done it. I've done it. I managed to do it. Okay. I actually found out something important. Okay. Hold on. Wow. That's it. It's finished. Nothing. Wow. I managed to like start and end something in this live stream. Incredible, like first time since I started. Anyway, I'll be going to think about the um the artwork and how to communicate that. Thanks for watching. let's see what comes next. Um, Take care. Goodbye.